What it do, YouTube? We're back. We downtown right now, riding in that 300, and I ain't talking about a Chrysler. God dang. Man, how y'all doing, man? I'm still on the high. I'm still feeling blessed. I got the roof open. We just ride through the city for a little bit, see what is living like. Dang. I want to go see how this place looks, but I don't really feel like. How far am I? 10 minutes?
Head toward US 70 West, then turn right after Nashville Electric Service.
Well, if I keep the streetway.
At the next light, turn left.
There's always somebody got to do extra.
Go past this light, then, at the next one, turn right onto 15th Avenue North.
So turn right. Go down Charlotte, basically.
At the light, turn right onto 15th Avenue North.
They say go down Charlotte. It's a strip club, I think. Oh, that's deja vu. Got Burger King. What y'all want for Burger King, man? I got y'all, man. Have it your way. Looking ass. Be the first cake like John got it. We want to see what the boulevard look like. I'm just doing a little drive-by to start. And I didn't know I had that even. I ain't here touching stuff in the car. They jamming over there in that BMW. Let's drive Texas. Ain't no police around. Yeah. They want to get in front of me. Boy, do all about to smoke them. They're like, nope, let me get in front of them. You got it. And I'm yet to drive this in sport. I I should go ahead and, you know, make tonight. I gotta put in Sport Plus. And got a little more pick up to it in Sport Plus. Like, gee. Well, it's like area light. It's a red light I'm catching. I mean, that wind probably crazy. Let me close that real quick. Let's close that. That wind probably crazy right now. I really want to just check this out. They open late. Like, they are a normal, it's like a lounge. That's what it is. But they open up early. I want to say like 7 or 8. But they don't close till 5 a.m. So they do the actual club, and then the what they call what they call them? It's after the club. I forgot what they call them. It'll come to me probably later on. Smoke shop. That's the place I went to. It was somebody's birthday. It's a hookah shop, and then it's a actual lounge place. Like, you can get your vape and your hookah, and then come over here. They serve alcohols and drinks too. But can't drink like $4. Like, you know, I go to a vending machine, it's gonna be like 75 cents. I remember can drinks used to be 60 cents in the vending machine. That was the life. For $1.20 you get 2? Boy, y'all don't even know what I'm talking about. This one bottle drinks should be $1 in the drink machine. Let me see. How far am I? I should have put on GPS. I'm 4 minutes away. I'm gonna get the car detailed tomorrow. Ain't really drove it anywhere far. I had people already ask me, you already drove it out of town? I'm like, I just got the car. I ain't had it for a week yet. And I had time to go out of town. You gotta go put it on the road. Man, put it on what road? It's outside already. Like, key. I gotta turn up truck. It should be somewhere around here. I doubt they got parking. Hattie B's. Another Burger King. I told y'all wherever y'all want, I got y'all. And you ain't gotta be a pep boy either. Well, this thing all the way down the street, ain't it? Ain't that many more Jack in the Box in the city, is it? I know they closed one down because homeless people were sleeping outside. They closed that in the Waffle House. So like, nah, y'all got too many homeless people. Shut it down. Shut it down. They don't have nowhere to go. I don't care. Shut it down and put a fence around it. Like, God dang, y'all heartless. Like, y'all figure it out. Cookout. That's a cookout right there? I ain't even know. Got the vape. I ain't never vaped a day in my life or smoke hookah. Y'all let me know what is the premise of smoking hookah? Is it just the aesthetic? Like, y'all think I'll look cool doing it? What's the reason? Or is it something like really like a stress reliever? Like, y'all let me know. I never smoked weed either. I ain't never did drugs. It should be somewhere around here. I think I found it, maybe. Kinda? Nope. I think. Should be. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Oh, yeah, because they changed it. It used to be called Soul. Now it's called Boulevard. It do not look packed. If this is, yeah, that's it. It is some girls walking in. But yeah, it don't look packed. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all joining me, man. We're going to end the vlog off right there, or the car ride. Man, I'm going to catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.